computers aren't always a good thing. You know kids can't do math anymore in their heads because it's so dependent on a calculator or a computer. Do you realize that? I bought lunch for my friends at McDonald's. The girl behind the counter with the braces goes, "That'll be $15.25. I give her a $20 bill. I said, "Wait, I think I have a quarter." "Oh, don't do that. You're going to screw me up." $15.25. I give you a 20 plus 25. You give me a 5 back. "Oh, I'm not too sure about that one." You got to be shitting me, honey. Cut it out. This is a really tough job. Working at McDonald's is a tough job. Maybe you should rate yourself out as a speed bump. Maybe that would be a good job for you. Maybe it's not the kids' fault. Maybe they're not teaching kids the right math. Unless you're a scientist or an engineer, have you ever used some of the things they made you learn before you could graduate high school? Did you ever use the square root of anything? Something to the third power? Honey, can we pay the mortgage? I'm trying to figure it out. What's the answer? X squared. What the fuck? I have no... If I was your kid's math teacher, I would teach them practical math. Math they could use when they grow up. You know, kids' math quiz would be like this. Mr. D'Angelo's math quiz, question number 1, economics. My car cost me $30,000. Now it's worth $10,000. But I still owe the bank $20,000. It needs a $1,500 transmission. Insurance is $1,200 a year. And gas is $4 a gallon. How much is a bus pass? Question number 2, relationships. I'm a single man with no children and 0 responsibility. As a result, I have 2 cars, 1 boat, 2 snowmobiles, and 1 motorcycle. I just met a girl who's a perfect 10. The only problem is she has 0 income, she's maxed out 2 credit cards, she's overdrawn on 3 checking accounts, she's 4 months behind on the rent, and she has 5 children from 3 previous marriages. She expects me to take a second job so I can pay for a 4-carat diamond ring, a $50,000 wedding, and a 14-day Caribbean cruise. How much cheaper would it be to get my fucking head examined? Question number 3, employment. It's 2:30 in the morning on a Tuesday night. I'm with 3 friends and we've been to 5 bars in the last 4 hours. I've had 3 Bud Lights, 4 sour apple martinis, and 5 shots of Jägermeister. I need to be at work at 6:45 a.m. How many sick days do I have left? See? Man. See, it's math. It's all math. Everything is relative. My friend bought a $200,000 Ferrari. I said, "Why would you spend $200,000 on a Ferrari?" "Paul, I paid $200,000 for a Ferrari because you don't know the exhilaration of taking an exit ramp at 75 miles an hour. I said, "You want excitement? For $150, I can get a 1984 Dodge Dart. Bald tires, no brakes, lousy shocks. Take the same fucking ramp going 25 miles an hour. And you have plenty of money left over to buy yourself a pair of clean underwear, too.